welcome back to one of my videos. So today I'll be using Lucas salsagheri, chamoy, tajin, furitos, a green apple, and an apple slicer to make Manzana Locas. I am going to put this into the microwave for about 30 seconds. I took the candy out from the microwave and I put it around the apple. Now that I put it around the apple, I'm going to then add tajin all over the apple. You don't really need to add tajin all over the apple. I just chose to do it this way. You could do it differently. This is how the apple looks when I put the tajin all over it. Now that I finished putting the tajin on the apple, I'm going to cut it with the apple slicer. As you guys can see, for this one, it doesn't have the tajin around it. Instead, I'm going to drizzle the tajin on top of it. You guys can just do it however you want. You guys can add whatever you want to it also. You don't have to do it the same way I'm doing it. I'm just doing it this way. You guys don't have to do it the exact same way that I'm doing it. This is how it looks with everything on it. It turned out really good. I hope you guys liked today's video and I hope you guys like and subscribe.